they think they get over this moment, but we are here. We are here and we have to keep playing with determination. Move the ball, move the ball. If we don't move the ball, they are playing comfortable. If we don't move the ball, move the fucking ball. Only play softer. Softer. And finish and move the ball. So. In defense, please. They are scoring always in the last 3-4 seconds. Try to make an effort. 4 minutes is enough. 17 minutes. It's impossible. When we make an effort in defense, we are thinking how to attack. We are missing, but the most important thing here, they are running faster than us. ¿Qué defensa quieres en los lados? Duro. Recuerda que a veces no te hace falta que sea mucho. Ahora no tenemos bonus. Si no has fallado por hacer switch y nada, has fallado porque has ido a ayudar.
Sí, porque has jugado el
Ya está, no pasa nada, lo olvidamos. Next play. Our mentality is next. The pass is the pass. Next. You are playing excellent. I don't care if we are not lucky, we are shooting open shots, but we are playing well. Don't give presence. We are playing well, guys. We have 3-4 open shots. This is our style. And now I am very happy. We have to believe, guys.